Hello, this is Mrs. Crowd. I'm here today to show you some tips and tricks in Google Drive, and today we're going to be looking at Google Drawing. So let's go to our Google Drive and open up a new drawing. So we'll come over here to New, More, Drawings. And here's the drawings. It's pretty much a blank canvas that we can do things on. Some of the things we can do is we can do lines, such as arrows, elbow connectors, curves, polyline, and scribble. So let's do a little arrow. It's just what it says. It's an arrow. The next thing we can do is shapes. Look at all the shapes we can do. We can do circles, triangles, cubes, cans, Ghostbuster symbol I like to call, and smiley faces. Let's do the cube. So we start here with our cursor at the upper left hand corner and drag it sideways, and it makes a cube. Once you make it, you can take your blue squares and make them larger. You can make it smaller. You can take your cube and change the color. Let's change the color to green. Okay. You can make a text box and just draw the text box and type in it. Hello, class. And the nice thing about the canvas is you can move these wherever you want it to go. So wherever you need it, it just moves around like that. It's pretty nice. You can also put in images, which is very similar to how we put in images to Google Drive. Another fun one you could do with the select line is the scribe. You can write things on here. So with your mouse, just like you would have a pen. That was really nice. Okay, now we have some things on our drawing. And what I want to do now is I want to take this drawing and put it into another Google app. And the apps that you'll probably use the most for drawings is Google Docs and Google Presentation. So let's do this, put this into a Google Doc. The first thing I want to do is I want to come over to Edit, and I want to put it on a web clipboard. I want to copy the entire drawing to a web clipboard. As simple as that, it's on my web clipboard. Then I'm going to go into my Drive, and I'm going to open up a new Google Doc. And as you see, I have a blank piece of paper. So I come over to Edit. I find Web Clipboard. And here I can see which drawing I want. And it gives me a little profile below it. So there's another drawing I've done. I copied some text over like this and a third drawing. So I want this drawing, so I hit Drawing. And there it is into my Google Docs. Now if I want to edit it, all I need to do is click on it, hit Edit. See, the drawing will come up and I can edit things. And then I hit Save and Close. It's very important to hit Save and Close, or else your document, any changes you make will not be on there. I can make it smaller, make it taller. So I can change it however I want to do it. Now let me show you an example of a drawing we're going to be doing later in the year. Later in the year, we'll be doing a drawing called Phases of the Moon. And I'm going to do a search for one of a student that did one this year. Let's go into this one. This is one that we did with the drawing. See, it's Phases of the Moon. What we did was we took the circle and the crescent, and I'll show you when we go into it. I'm going to hit Edit. See, we went to Drawing, and we used the oval shape here. We used there's the oval shape. We used the crescent moon shape for the second one. We used the pie one to do this third quarter, and all sorts of things. And then we'll learn that together as time goes on. That is Google Drawings, and just wanted to share some basic information. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in class. Goodbye.